In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, by custom fields, or even randomly. This is perfect if your task list feels messy and you want a quick way to organize everything for better productivity and clarity. Whether you're managing personal tasks or a full team workspace, this method works fast and keeps things simple. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your ClickUp account and open the space, folder, or list where your tasks are located. Once your tasks are visible on the screen, look toward the top of the list and click on Filters. This is where ClickUp lets you control how tasks are displayed and sorted. After clicking Filters, you'll see multiple options for sorting and grouping tasks. Click on Task Name. By default, ClickUp will sort tasks alphabetically from A to Z. If you want to reverse it, you can switch it to Z to A with a single click. This is the fastest way to organize tasks alphabetically. Now, if you want to sort tasks using a custom field instead, go back to the same Filters menu. Instead of task name, choose the custom field you want to sort by, such as priority, status, due date, or any custom text or number field you've created. ClickUp will instantly reorder your tasks based on that field. This is especially useful for workflows where order matters more than task names. If you're looking to randomize your task order, ClickUp doesn't have a true random sort button yet, but here's a workaround. You can create a temporary custom number field, assign random numbers to your tasks, and then sort by that field. This effectively gives you a random task order whenever you need one. Once you're done, you can remove or hide the field. And that's it. You now know how to order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, by custom fields, or randomly, depending on what works best for your workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.